Hi, this is CA Firoz. Today we are going to discuss one of the practical case regarding VAT refund. Here our client belongs with Dubai free zone and we applied for around 4 quarter and we get approved around after following up 1 month. So we are going to share our step which we have taken for VAT refund around 2.5 lakh AED which we got approved within 1 month. So first of all, we will share here our first slide. This is FTA Excel template which we have to fill according to the whatever the column as mentioned by FTA. We need to fill accordingly. We need to follow same. Here box 1 we need to fill the our sale data. In box 2 regarding the tourist refund which is not belong with our client, and box 3 we need to fill here the RCM apart from import import of goods. And box 4 we need to submit zero rated supply. After that we need to submit box 5 means exempted supply, and box 6 and box 7 related to import of goods, and box 9 related with the standard VAT expenses, and box 10 which is also related with the RCM. So we need to submit according to our client data. All documents should be comply with this detail. So because FTA may be asked any document according to your data. So please fill out properly here. So after filling this Excel as provided the FTA, we need to go the FTA portal and log in. And after login, we need to select the V311 VAT refund tab, and then we select that. And whatever we fill out in our Excel sheet, we need to upload here along with the some relevant information. When you uploading with along with the relevant information, so we got this information application submitted successfully. After submitting successfully, in our case, we got some query with the FTA officer. You can see this list of the queries around 1 to 4 is specific, and then 4 subsection is around 11. So you can say that this 11 plus 3 there is a query around 14 queries there. So here you can the screenshot, but it is not visible, so we covered here in the next slide. You can see here the we need to as required by the FTA officer, highest 5 expenses and 5 sell invoices regarding one specific quarter, because here we submitted 4 quarter uh, in one shot. So we then FTA required only 1 quarter highest 5 invoices and 5 expenses details. So thereafter they asking the invoice should be titled as a tax invoice. This is common error, we need to follow that. And then they want to know the clarification regarding hotel expenses, and then other information they require regarding your business activities and nature of business, and total VAT paid for the employee medical insurance. It means this is related to employee medical insurance VAT, and other is dependent medical insurance VAT paid. Whatever you paid VAT with related with insurance, this dependent or employees, we need to disclose here. And after that they ask the visa issued the Emirates, and they want to know in which state Emirates, sorry, in which Emirates you issued the visa. So they require to know the name of that Emirate. Then after they want to know the zero rated supply explanation and exempted supply explanation, and thereafter they want to know supply subject to the reverse charge. And after that they want to know the in case expenses is more than sale, because in your refund position, so your definitely your expenses is higher than your sale, so you need to clarify here. And thereafter FTA ask in our case out of the scope supplies, and fill the related section in the summary sheet. Means they want to know the if you have any out of scope supply, you need to disclose here the description, and thereafter you need to add that sheet in whatever the template as provided at FTA. You need to add that list. And thereafter they want to know the why you got the refund position, and then after they want to know the adjustment to the goods import in box 7. So this type of detail they asked they asked with our client. So we ready the reply accordingly. You can see the reply here in the, this is in screenshot, this is not proper visual for you, so we collect in another slide. You can see here, we whatever they required the document we attached. So we, in the reply we properly mention this, we attach the all document as you required. And then regarding the tax invoice title, so we mention that this is an standard practical practice in this, mean this is a standard practice that we are already complied with. So regarding the hotel related expenses, we respond that these expenses are related to accommodation of outside UAE employee and the customer for business meeting. This is our scenario, so we mention according to the our client. So in your case it may be different, so you need to consider that. So other related information, your business activity, we mention according to the our business activity. And we mentioned there, you can see that VAT paid for employee medical insurance, this is amount as per our client data. And the VAT paid for dependent medical insurance, this is also according to the our client data. And other information like your zero rated supply, in our client case this is not applicable. Whatever they are not applicable, we mention this not applicable. And whatever information we have, so we disclose accordingly. So in our client situation, this is related to free zone, and mostly of their shipment is related with the third port shipment. And as compared to local sale, means mostly there is sale is regarding the third port shipment, means out of scope. That's why there is a position is refund position. So we reply one to one according the FTA query. After replying, after some time, we got the status is approved. You can see that. So thank you for watching my video. If you like, if you have any query regarding VAT refund, please connect us. We will glad to help you out. Thank you very much.